Yeah, hi everyone, Rob from Training Centre Direct. People often ask me about lift apprenticeships and are they a good thing? What's the road like ahead? And I suppose I could summarise it into just one phrase really. Apprenticeships are hard work. Don't think they're easy, because they're not. Apprentices usually are younger people, ages between about 18 to 21, 22. They earn peanuts. Lift company take advantage of the fact the government allows them to pay them less money. There's a lot of work ahead. An apprenticeship is basically three elements. One is a vocational course, which is an NVQ. The second is a period of study at a local college to gain a technical certificate, which could be 2-3 years long. And you need functional skills, English and maths, and there's another side element I won't go into here. But apprenticeships are they're hard work, they're long hours, low pay. Having said that, if you get an apprenticeship and can make it to the end, that's the point. If you can make it to the end, make it to the end of the training, which is usually in total about 4 years long, it's a very good thing to do. If you're apprentice trained, a lot of companies like that, and you've more or less got a job for life. But if you're not cut out for it, if you didn't do very well at school, you have to understand that you'll be going back to school or back to college to do the tech cert, and if you don't pass exams, you won't finish the framework. That's a quick overview of lift apprenticeship. Hope you found it useful. Bye for now.